Good morning. Welcome to Prasanta Behera Spoken English classes. I have already taught you in my last 4 classes about active and passive voice. You have learned how present tense convert into the passive structure. You have also learned how past tense, modal verbs and interrogative sentences convert into the passive structure. This is the last class of active and passive voice. In my last class, let's discuss how do we convert active sentence which is imperative sentence into passive voice. Imperative sentences are used to make a request, command, order, suggestion, advice. आमे imperative sentence को व्यवहार करिबा केउ जगह रे जोठी जने अनुरोध करूथिबे किमा ऑर्डर दउथिबे किमा किसी उपदेश दउथिबे आमे से ऑर्डर देवा उपदेश देवा सेटा हेउची imperative sentences. I am giving some examples now. For example, open the door. Open the door. In open the door, this type of sentence, the order or command, O-R-D-E-R, order or command, C-O-M-M-A-N-D. Open the door, order or command. If you say that, please open the door, please open the door, please open the door. This is the request. Work hard. This is the advice. So I have already told you imperative sentences are used. आमे imperative sentence को व्यवहार करि परिबा केउ जगह रे रिक्वेस्ट हमकु जने अनुरोध करूची, ऑर्डर, कमांड, सजेशंस और एडवाइस. I have given example also. Open the door. आमे जणो कहिबा जाओ कबाटा खोल दियो. एटा ऑर्डर, कमांड. आमे कहिबा प्लीज ओपन द डोर. आमे ताकू अनुरोध करूची, आमे ताकू रिक्वेस्ट करूची, अनुरोध करूची, प्लीज ओपन द डोर. वर्क हार्ड. आमे जण कहूछु वर्क हार्ड, कठिन परिश्रम कर, ताकू आमे एडवाइस दउछु, उपदेश दउछु. दिस टाइप ऑफ sentences is called imperative sentences. In the imperative sentences, in the active form, in the active voice structure is first form of the verb V1, first form of the verb plus object OBJECT, first form of the verb plus object. In the passive voice, let, lit let plus object obj I have written here plus be plus third form of the verb. Clear now? In active, first form of the verb plus object, this is the imperative sentence. How to convert into the passive structure? When we see the command indication, in commanding indication we use this type of passive structure. In request form or advice form we change the format, we change the rules. Now I am giving some examples of command form. Post the letter, post, P-O-S-T, post the letter. This is the, as per the rules, first form of the verb, the letter is the object. What is the rule of passive voice? Let plus object plus be plus b3. Let, we use let. Then object here is the letter, the letter. Then be, then third form of the verb is the post, means third form is the posted. Let the letter be posted, let the letter be posted. I am giving now, I have already given one example, I am now giving more 4 examples. Shut the window, let the window be shut. Shut the window, let the window be shut. Clear now? SHUD, shut the window. झरकाटी को बंद कर, आम कमांड कर जन को ऑर्डर दौचु जे तुम्हें झरकाटी को बंद कर दियो. ताकू जदि आम पैसिव वॉइस रे लिखिबा let the window be shut, because shut is the first form of the verb, third form is also shut, S-H-U-T. Throw the ball, आम बॉल टी को फिंगर, आम जो कमांड दौचु बॉल टी को फिंगर, आम ताकू जदि पैसिव करबा let the ball be thrown. Throw the ball. I am writing one more example here. Throw the ball, T-H-R-O-W, throw, T-H-R-O-W, throw the ball. This is the first form of the verb, this is the object. Answer is let the ball be thrown, T-H-R-O-W-N. Clear? We followed the rule also. I have already written rules of passive with the let plus object, here object plus be plus third form of the verb. Clear now? Light the candle, light the candle, L-I-G-S-T, light the candle. Candle to को हमें जलिया पे ऑर्डर करूचे, तार पैसिव हबो let the candle be lighted, L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Clear now? You can say also learn the poem. Poem टी को सीखो. जने कहते learn the poem. The passive structure is the let the poem be learned. Learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. This is the active, passive, active. Learn the poem. Passive, let the poem be learned, L-E-A-R-N-T. First form of the verb is the learn, L-E-A-R-N. Third form of the verb is the learned. Learnt. Clear now? Now I am giving some more examples of negative sentence, one or two negative sentences. Common examples: do not beat the cow. Do not beat the cow. आमे गाय को पिटिबा नहीं बा मारिबा नहीं, पिटिबा नहीं. Do not beat the cow. Do not beat the cow. Do not beat the cow. Here the use do not beat the cow. Let the cow not in the active sentence, passive sentence. Let the cow. Clear? Let the cow. Here the cow is the object. Then you use not after the object plus B plus B3. Not be beaten. B-E-A-T-E-N. Let the cow not be beaten. I am giving one more examples. Suppose don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch, T-O-U-C-H, touch it. In the passive structure, you can write in two ways also, don't touch it. Because this is one type of warning, don't touch it. आमे जदि छुईबा गोटे जिनिस को ताले किछि आपण मानकु टिके असुविधा होई पारे, सेति पे आमे गोटे वार्निंग दिया होछि जे डोंट टच इट. We can write or convert into the passive structure in two ways. You can write also let it not be touched. First, let it not. Clear? After the object you use not, then be touched, T-O-U-C-H-E-D. You can also write in another passive structure as it is the warning. आमे जेतले सतर्क करू don't touch it, ताकू छुओ नहीं. You can also do the passive form or convert in the passive form. You are warned not to touch it. You are warned not to touch it. Clear now? So I have already given many examples. How do we convert active sentences which is imperative sentence into passive voice? I have already told you in imperative sentences are used to make request, command, order, suggestion, advice. So now I am giving some examples of your advice. First of all, I have already told one sentence, work hard. This is the advice or suggestions. I have already told you. In work hard, this is the advice or suggestions. You can say in converting the passive structure, you are advised to work hard. In work hard, work hard, W-O-R-K, work hard. You are advised to work hard. You are advised to work hard. In the advice type of imperative sentence, if you want to convert it, you can also do you are advised to work hard. Clear? So now I have already discussed all my classes, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. This is the part 5 of my class. All the format, all the rules of how to convert into the active to passive voice. Now I am discussing some sentences. I am discussing now some sentences for your practice. The headmaster punished the student. The headmaster punished the student. The headmaster punished the student. This is the active sentence. I have to do the passive structure. The headmaster punished the student. So first of all, we have to identify, or this is the, we have to identify the tense. We have to this, which type of tense is it? This is the past simple or indefinite. We first see the verb and identify the tense. Which tense is it? This is the simple past. We have already known the rules of simple past. The answer is active sentence, passive sentence. The student was punished by the HM. Here I have written HM means headmaster. HEAD head, MASTR master. There is no space, so I have written here HM. Clear? So the headmaster punished the student. The answer is the student was punished by the headmaster. Rule here, what is the rule? Object plus was were plus third one the verb plus by plus subject. Clear? I am giving another example. Foolish man build, B-U-I-L, build large houses. Foolish man, in active sentence, F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish man, M-E-N, man, build, B-U-I-L-D, build large, L-A-R-G, large houses, H-O-U-S-E-S. Foolish man build large houses. Which tense is it? This is the present simple, build. The third form of the build is built, B-U-I-L-T. You change the D into T, B-U-I-L-T. So foolish man build large houses. The passive structure will be large houses. Here are, as it is the plural form, large houses are built, B-U-I-L-T, built by foolish men. Clear? Another example I am giving you. The umpire declared the batsman out. The umpire, U-M-P-I-R-E, the umpire declared, D-E-C-L-A-R-E-D, the umpire declared the batsman out. So this is also the past simple. We have to follow same rules of first question and question number 3 is the same formula. So answer is the batsman was declared out by the umpire. UMPIRE. The batsman was declared out by the umpire. Clear now? The batsman was declared out by the umpire. I have also discussed in my third class, part 3, interrogative, part 3 or part 4, I think part 4 classes, interrogative sentences. Now I am giving one interrogative sentences. Did Vibhishan betray Ravana? Did Vibhishan betray Ravan? This is the question mark. Did Vibhishan betray Ravan? Clear? Did Vibhishan betray Ravan? You can write any also Ravana. So this is the question mark. I have already taught you how interrogative sentence convert into the passive structure. Here we use watch. This is the active, this is the passive. Fine. Object is Ravana. Ravana watch not where. Ravana watch not where. Clear? So watch Ravana betrayed. Betrayed, betrayed by Vibhishan. Put the question mark. I have given the rules also, plus in the last, in the past simple, watch or were plus object plus third form the verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. I have given rules also in the part 4 of my class. You can see all of my 5 videos to clear about the active and passive voice. Aniket did not paint this picture. I am giving one more example. This is the last example. Aniket, Aniket did not paint this picture. This is the negative sentence. Aniket did not paint this picture. This is also the past simple form or past indefinite form. How do you know? Did not. Did is the past simple. So same rule, we have already known the rule. So answer is this picture was not painted by Aniket. Clear? So we have already completed about the active and passive voices. आपण मानकर जदि किछि डाउट हबो कि अन्य किछि अधिक पढ़िबा पई चाहउचंती अबाउट एक्टिव एंड पेसिव वॉइस बाबदरे मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखि जणाइबे एवं एही एक्टिव एंड पेसिव वॉइस रो 5टी क्लास होईछि। एही 5टी क्लास को संपूर्ण रूप रे देखंतु आपणकर 10th एग्जामिनेशंस +2 बा 12th एग्जामिनेशंस of all CBSE, ICSE or CHSE board, any type of competitive events ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସୁବିଧା ହେଇ ପାରିବ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।